Swift Courser display fixture manufacturer consists of a professional R&D team in Taiwan in 1989 and is a professional manufacturer. We work with retailers and brands all over the world and have many years of experience in display design and manufacturing product display racks. According to the demand of display in different shops, we provide professional suggestions related to shop layout, design, and presentation, with the utilization of systematic gadgets and conducting R&D. Swift Courser possesses a complete design team and provides professional development, design, and planning services for display racks according to the display requirements of different products. We carry out detailed breakdown on product structure to learn different molds required for different structures so as to implement structure improvement and optimization. The variety of molds significantly reduces additional costs of production and ensures the completeness of product structure. In terms of production, we have different lead time for different products and offer the service of low MOQ for mass production. As for production and time control, we strictly monitor the schedule. On-time delivery is the mission that Swift Courser upholds. During the pandemic, we provided showroom demonstration and product inspection services to our clients through video conference. It allows you, who is on the other end, to enjoy high-quality service without even visiting the showroom. We welcome any inquiry related to OEM or ODM of display racks for shop fitting and shop display systems.